Sometimes I tear them, sometimes I cut. Words of wisdom, I pin them up, hang them on the walls, and I tape them to the door. Good advice from those who've gone before. Words like these set me free. What I seek is seeking me. Life's a journey, not a race. What is mine will know my face. I can live each day, let it be. What is mine will find me. Live each day, let it be. What is mine will find me. It's amazing the garbage people tell themselves, like stuff happens and life is hell. Words have the power to change how we feel. They can hurt, they can heal. Words like these set me free. What I seek is seeking me. Life's a journey, not a race. What is mine will know my face. I can live each day, let it be. What is mine will find me. Live each day, let it be. What is mine will find me. Shakespeare said, to thine own self be true. Easy for him to say, but so hard for us to do. So I need inspiration to make me strong, from poets and heretics. Books and songs tell us how to succeed, how to get along, so we can live it, learn it, pass it on. Words like these set me free. What I seek is seeking me. Life's a journey, not a race. What is mine will know